Hello, I'm going to make the shrimp with chayote squash. I have about 6 ounce shrimp. For the shrimp, I put a pinch of salt and white pepper in it. And I put 1 teaspoon of cooking wine and about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then I mix well. Okay, I set it on the side. Then I have about 1 squash, look like this. I have 1 ounce of red pepper, half ounce of black fungus, 2 slices of ginger. For the sauce, I'm using 1/4 cup of water and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of chili bean sauce. Then I'm gonna put all the sauce in it. And the chili bean sauce. And mix. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And I put 1 teaspoon of just water, two tablespoons of water. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of just water, and mix well. And I'm going to show you how to cut that. First of all, I'm gonna peel the skin like this. And you cut like this. Then I'm going to remove that first. Then I cut it half. You see the squash look like that. So I cut it from here. And they have a seed in it. So I'm going to remove it. Then I cut half from here. Cut half too. So anything that between here, then I'm going to use in the light and cut it out. And clean out the squash. The seed inside. Okay, that looks good. And they have a line between the squash, so I'm using the sharp line and clean it out. It looks good. That one too. You see the white color there? I don't want that. Then I'm going to remove it. Okay, it looks good right now. And that one too. And I clean the white color between right there. I'm going to clean that out so it look better like that. So between the lines, so you can use in the sharp line to clean it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, looks good. Okay, I'm going to put it on the side first. I'm going to cook the shrimp first, okay? Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the wok. And make sure the oil all over the wok so they won't stick. Okay, then I'm going to put the shrimp in it. Okay, the shrimp looks pretty good, so I'm going to be removing. Okay, I'm going to using the same wok. You don't need to clean it. I'm using the same wok to stir fry the ginger. Black fungus and the red pepper and the squash. And I put all the sauce in it. Then I put all the shrimp in it. Then I'm using the cornstarch with water to make it thicker. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to garnish with the cilantro on top of it. Okay, that's what I make today, the shrimp with chayote squash.